Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. On the application of Brave, you will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Brave and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. If you find updates, then you can click to update your app, so please don't forget to support us.